Hello, welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today it's a little vlog day. We are spending the day at Heartland Lakeview Estate. There you'll find a very big amusement park. Come with us and let's see how it looks. The kids and I had so much fun. In this park, there are so many things to see. A lot of things to keep your kids and yourself busy for the whole day. So this is the entrance to the park. From this entrance, you'll see some gaming centers with pool tables. You can see all this arrangement here just to show that it's a kiddies park. This section sells bubbles, balloons, stuff. You can see like some kind of artifacts that are set up to make this place look very beautiful. Upstairs there are lounge. It's like an all-packed lounge. You can see that place, poolside, the snooker side, the game side for big guys. Also, there's one set up like this for children. Okay, so come with us. Mostly where we'll be going to will be the main side. The main place where you have all the pirate ships, the carousel, the ice cream cup, merry-go-round, and etc. Now, this is a game place for kids. Come with us and spend a little of your time with us. This is Melody. She's saying hi. Harmony is saying hi. Machi and Chisimdi are Melody and Harmony's cousin. They are saying hi and the good night. And here's Peniel also. At first, Peniel was not feeling it at all. But as soon as we entered the main park and she heard the music, she woke up. So right now, we're trying to make payment at the reception side. To enter, you have to get like an access card, and per head is 400. Also, there's a card like a recharge card where you can load in money. From there, you can pay for anything you want. And the amusement park is called Dream World. Okay, so right now, we will give the card to this guy and he will swipe for each of us. All right, and then give us access into this place. So we are in the park. You can see the kids, they are just feeling themselves, enjoying the beat and everything. We really had a fun time here, I must tell you. So right now, we are going straight to it. They just wanted to get straight to it. In this place, you will find swimming pool. You will find the outdoor lounge. They sell anything you want. And guys, this place is so busy. They sell popcorn, ice cream, food, name it, barbecue, grill, suya, anything you want. Now look at that big roller coaster, and then we'll be going to like get into the merry-go-round, the carousel, the name it, pirate ship. Okay, and they have attendants in each of these places that regulate and like take care of it. You can see swings and everything. This place is surely packed and well run. The artifacts you can see so beautiful. We really had a swell time here. So just spend your day with us and enjoy everything that we had to enjoy. After all our time playing, of course, we had to go down to the barbecue place, got a grilled fish, got some plates of rice, bottle of cokes and water, had some refreshments before we left. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button. Subscribe and follow our lifestyle journey. Thank you to all our subscribers. You're wonderful. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. For now, bye-bye.
Face cancer. I'll show their back. No problem. Hi. Baby. Hi. I see you. What happened? It has already stopped. So now it's time to come out. Baby. Melody. Wait, he'll help you. It's fun. Come on, let's go.
Come this way.
See what you're doing. You don't want to get on. Okay. Yes, you will go. Benny, hold tight. Hold it very well. If my baby falls. Benny, hold it. Bye. Hold it, okay? Pay attention. Hi. Melody. Hi. Baby. The wheels are that one, the wheel has fallen over. Hold your hands. All done, let's go. Who dances better? Dance very well. Melody, not ballet. Oh, go. Dance. Melody, you're not dancing. Baby. Eh, eh, eh. Dance. Dance very well. Eh, eh. That's tough. This one goes very fast. No, never. This pirate's over. I can't even try it again in my dream so that I'll shout.
Yes.
Ah, that's the pirate ship over there. Agaba? careful. Hi. Hi. Hey. Don't worry, your table. We're going to eat. It's hot. Very hot. But I was screen dancing from video. No, 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 don't touch it. No, let's go. Okay, let's go, let's go. It's all done. Let's go. Gucci, there's still money in the card. It's finished. So that they will play in this place. They didn't get to play there. Okay, next time we'll come. Let's go. I will leave you here. You will see somebody that wants children for today. Let's and